Puso. Pahingan po ng 20 minutes ang inyong hapon. Ako po si Boy, and welcome to Fast Talk with Boy. Suzy and Camille.
Oo, magkita tayo doon.
Basta ba, anytime kasi malapit lang yung bahay ko.
Oo, pero text mo ko na maaga kasi minsan nade-delay ako eh.
Hindi pa, oo nga, alam ko naman kasi pasok ko yung mga bata and
Correct.
stuff.
Oo.
Basta ako
Basta i-plan lang natin ang maaga.
Sige, sige,
Ha?
sige. Sa dating lugar, sa dating tagpuan.
You know it!
Oh my God!
Hi, Suzy. Ano ba pinag-uusapan niyo? Pag nagdi-dinner ba kayo, mas marami ang kain o mas marami ang usapan?
Hindi tayo siya nag-dinner. Mostly lunch kami.
A lunch?
Brunch,
Okay.
brunch kami.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
I get that.
So
I
after
get
her
that.
morning show, we go straight to workout and then we would have brunch. And that would last us until about 1, 2-ish.
Oo, mga ganyan.
Matagal.
How much do you miss your show? Mars?
Super!
Nakakamiss na.
Super! Pag pogi yung asawa mo. Kasi lagi isipan niyo, kita niyo ba yung asawa? Kita niyo ba yung tsura ng asawa, Kira?
Di ba?
Mayabang talaga ako sa asawa.
I believe you. I bow.
Somehow kasi Tito Boy, hindi ko nararamdaman kung sakali man. Wala siguro dun yung isip ko. And then I'm always cautious about being in the same room kapag lalo na may ibang lalaki na hindi ako dapat naiiwan na sila lang yung kasama ko. Yung mga typical na ganyan. Like in the workplace, lately there's lock-in, you know, and I experienced that a little. So I made sure that on days na hindi ako naman nagtatrabaho, I spend those days with, you know, video calling my family and my husband. For me kasi Tito Boy, siguro I come from a place wherein as much as possible, I want na hindi sana magkaroon ng divorce, personally, for me. Because I see the children suffering from that. Na parang ngayon kasi kapag laging ganun yung pag-isip natin sa mag-asawa na that's always an option, then whoever we find in life, hindi naman perpekto yung tao na yun eh. But it always has to be also mutual. Kasi iba rin naman kapag babae lang nakikipaglaban, pero ayaw naman ng asawa mo. That's an entirely different story.
We definitely criminalize abuse. If that is the reason why you guys are together, kasi hindi ka makawala kasi walang divorce.
Abuse of all forms.
Of all forms. Kasi usually physical lang eh, pero pati mental, emotional.
Kailan ka pinaka-sexy?
After workout.
Kailan pinaka-sexy si VJ?
After workout.
Last chismis you heard.
I don't know.
Sexiest part of Paolo's body.
Sexiest part, chest.
Paborito mong ginagawa kay Paolo?
Minamasa.
Okay, last thing you Google.
I can't remember. Insurance policy.
Okay, guilty or not guilty, unang nangangalabit kay Hubby.
Guilty.
Lights on or lights off?
Lights off.
Okay, happiness or chocolates?
Happiness.
Best time for happiness.
Anytime.
Every day.
Complete this. Ang best Mars ay...
Kaming dalawa. Kailan ka ba mag-garage? May mga outfit siya na gusto kong mapasa akin eh.
Alam mo, hinihintay ko yung witty mong tanong kasi.
Ito na yun.
Ito na yun. Ako naman siguro, itatanong ko kay Tito Boy, is that how do you do it? Alam mo yun, it's just so amazing how kaya niya i-control yung buong takbo ng show nang hindi din siya nakaka-offend sa guest niya kahit na alam niya na very strict yung time niya. Alam mo yun? Kasi
okay,
mahirap
kasi
yun
parang
eh.
baka feeling yung guest
abrupt
minamadali.
Na, yes,
pero
yung abrupt
hindi.
na pagputol, abrupt na pagpasok, kaya niyang i-summarize in one word kung ano yung sinagot mo. It's just amazing how he does it.
Super. Born to do this.
Yeah.
Super saya.
Yeah.
Siyempre bitin kasi 20 minutes lang pero okay na rin kasi nararamdaman ko nagsusore throat na naman ako. Yung sa excitement na magkasama na naman kami, kaya daldal kami daldal.
Just so happy to be able to share the same stage with Ate Suzy. You know, we've been doing this for so long. We've done this for so long. And parang I think it'll always have a special place in our hearts. You know, and parang feeling ko every time that we share the same stage and we're together and we're sharing things about us, parang never ending, parang it falls into place. Kung ano man yun, kung paano kami dati, it's just always the same but nakakamiss yun. So we're just very happy to be
To be
here.
together again, yes! Kami ang inyong mga Mars!